made sure to buy our favorite meat burgers, and I didn't make any enemies this time. Let's go.
Who do we have here? We got a couple of teachers trespassing and entering your forest, nameless. Let's go teach them a lesson.
An air con-
No fruits appear to be lost and afraid. A banana and an apple, all alone. Whatever will they do? They better think fast, or they'll be turned into bloody mush. What? No, you're the banana, he's the apple. Both can't be apples. No, wait, why are we worried about this? Do you know who I am? Oh, I'm gonna kill you both! Because I'm evil? Because being evil is fun! Ripping you two apart would be really fun.
God, whoa, this tree be hitting different. Oh, that ain't no tree. So are you going to give that bunny back? Hey, that was my in. You must think you're some tough guy killing small defenseless bunnies. I'll have you know, I kill small defenseless students, so I'm no better. But I am better.
You're Abby and Lana. And you two are defenseless students. You two are weak and alone in this forest. Meanwhile, I have a weapon, and I want to kill people. So,
Catch me. Over here.
bro,
Don't worry, I'm
finally some fun! Blocked! Watch your step!
Tavel.
And please subscribe to Agatha Gaming on www.agathaeasythebeat.com.
What is your wallet? Wait a minute. You are me at them up. I really need to shut my mouth sometimes. Wait, don't hurt me. I never did anything wrong in my entire life. What? Oh, you? Over.
I'm down a pine tree. Hi Claire, we're about to brutally murder these teachers and students.